Good morning. Sorry, I was having a technical issue on my computer. What's happening? Holy Grail, good morning. Red, good morning. All right, let's start the week. It's gonna be an interesting week, that's for sure. We have the selection, so let's go. Omid, hey there, good morning. Naomi, hey there. Hello. Procedo, good morning. Otti, Oregat, good morning. All right. Well, we have an Asia high, very, very, very close right here. I'm wondering if this one wants to go up there and take it out. Actually, it's at 49, right? Yeah, it's at 49. So let's just see. Yonix, good morning. Paul, welcome. Mood Moon, hello. Yono, crazy week. Oh yeah, it's gonna be one of those weeks, I think. Time to rape the market. Yoraget, good morning. Oh, this is no problem, Paul. I just thought that, you know, why not do some videos? I mean, these were nothing special. I just thought that I want to speak my mind. That was all. Anyway, let's see what's happening. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and check out what's going on. Now, the 1 hour chart, I like to point out something if we look to the left, which is this area right here from Thursday. It's technically like a bearish order block thingy, but it's definitely a significant level. Usually price likes to revisit these areas, and the first bullish hourly candle was Thursday 5 a.m. Eastern Standard, which is at 316. I think that could be the draw on liquidity. So not just going through Asia high here, but maybe even continuing to go higher. I wouldn't be surprised. Now, obviously, we do have some gaps all over the place. We have new day opening gaps down there. Now we have a new week opening gap. So quite interesting. We have a few levels. Good morning, Marcella. Camille, welcome. Opening time is, yeah, 3:30 again. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Selection election, yes. Steam, good morning. I'm done for the day and forbidden. What? All right. Well, you know, the best thing if you already made some profits. I made a small profit at the opening, at the Sunday open. So Trump for the pump. Yeah, interestingly, he posted that if he's gonna lose, then the markets are gonna crash. He posted something like that. Interesting. All right. So we have some levels. We have Asia high. We have a 15-minute BC down there. Reject. Did it reject once already? Yeah. So this one rejected price on the downside already. Look at this dump right here. Going lower a bit. Okay. Didn't go for the Asia high yet. Instead, it looks like it might want to do a structure shift here. Interesting. Yeah, sort of like a structure shift. 5 minute is going lower a bit. The 1 minute actually shifted structure, but I'm trying to figure out if this one, oh no, it didn't. Reprice this immediately. I thought that we're gonna have a quick reaction here. Self-forbidden, up 5, okay, yeah, let's go. 585 is nice. Hey Paul, no problem. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, the time shift is, I guess it's messing up everybody. I'm trying to figure out if this one wants to go for the Asia high or not. What kind of news we have? Nothing. Nothing special in the morning. So let's go to the 5-minute. Small fair value gap here. This one, let me check the mini, because this is the micro. The mini didn't go lower, so it could go lower, sweep the lower gap right there, and if it goes, it can also try to go and maybe even bounce once again from the 15-minute BC. I have no entry or nothing here, so just gotta be patient. But so far nothing. We're about 16, 17 points, 15, 16 points away from Asia high. I feel like this could, you know, lure down. I mean, lure in some positions from down here, from that 15-minute BC. So I'm just not trusting any move up here. Venom, good to see you, man. What's happening, Venom? I see. Scar, good morning. Hey there. I forgot the world didn't change with us. Yeah. The new rules at ProfiTrade can existing account upgrade, or it happens. The existing accounts are by the old rules. By the way, there is only technically one rule that technically changed, and it's not even changed really. It's the flipping rule. So that's it. The consistency rule was the same. The only thing that is technically happened is the flipping rule, nothing else. And everything is the same. You can still request the safety threshold when you pass it. The only extra is that now you can request within the safety threshold if you want to. So just let me clarify it, because I received some messages. If you still didn't reach the safety threshold, you are allowed to request profits. If you have the minimum trading days, you are allowed, but you're going to have a 50% profit split on the Echo account and 90% on the Boost account. That's it. Obviously, the Boost account is more expensive. So that doesn't really affect anything. The only thing is the flipping rule. That's it. Morning, Lizelle. But guess what? TopStep has a flipping rule. Apex has a flipping rule. MyFundedFutures has a flipping rule. Not too many. I mean, Bulenox still doesn't have a flipping rule, but other than that, and take ProfiTrader. Other than that, more and more prop firms are using the flipping rule. Maybe they call it different in a different name, but it's a flipping rule basically. So the flipping rule is like Bob is here. I haven't seen him. So the flipping rule is basically that you have a very, very good day, like a windfall day, and then you just push the button every day for maybe with an algorithmic sequence or something to flip the account once every day with a few dollars, and you just do that for days, weeks, or even months until the consistency meets, and you just withdraw the amount. That's it basically. To game the system. Yes, the top step flipping rule is simple. Yeah, exactly. The 5 days 200, that's the flipping rule basically. The $200 per day at top step is technically called flipping rule. That's what I was meaning to say. Top step has a flipping rule since the beginning of the times. So that's what called flipping rule at top step, the 200 per day as an active trading day. That is basically against flipping. %40 off. Yeah. So a trade should not be more than it. Yes, exactly. So you can make $5,000. I mean, sorry, not 5,000. One trade or trading day should not be greater than your consistency. It can be. It's a soft rule, so you can continue to trade, but that's going to count as your 40% consistency, your biggest day, according to your profit goal. So yeah. So keep that in mind. If you're down, that's why I said if you're down $1,000 and you make $2,000, then your consistency is going to be watching the $2,000 trade. So what you can do is make $1,000, close down the trade, and reopen the trade again. I know it sounds interesting, but reopen the trade again and continue with the trade. So that's how they're watching consistency. Per trade or per day, the biggest, of the two, the bigger of the two ones. Yeah, I mean, TopStep requires $200. ProfiTrade requires $187. MyFundedFutures requires $100. I guess with that being said, TopStep requires the most amount of profit that you have to make to count as a trading day. Every other prop firm requires less than TopStep. Just saying. Nothing against TopStep, they're great, but at this point, TopStep requires the most amount of profit to be made to count as a trading day. Just saying, if you really look into it. TopStep requires the most amount of profit to be made in a day. But they're still good. I'm just saying that it's not a big deal. Yeah, that's not a big deal. Yes, still 1 day pass, Marcella. Yes, Apex is still 1 day pass. What is the minimum in the profit to count as trading day based on the trade or a series of trade? 50% of the trading days has to be above that 7% level of your safety threshold, not the overall profit. So if you're sitting in $5,000 in profits, you still have to calculate with the safety. With the safety threshold. So 50%. So if you're trading 40 days, then you got to make sure that 20 days are above that level. Now, obviously, if you're doing everything right, then you should be able to request a payout in less than 40 days. If you have 50% of those days above 187. Yeah, that's true, Robert. Once you reach 30 days, you are not limited with everyone else. But Robert, there's one thing though, and that's absolutely right. How many traders can actually make it to 30 days above $200. Not too many. They were talking about it, not now, but in last year. Last year they were talking about the numbers, and I mean, obviously the number of traders who are actually making more than 30 days on the same account above $200, well, those numbers are not too high, to be exact. But yeah. What is happening? Is this gonna go down to the busy or what? We still have time, so I guess it could. What's the minimum trading day at ProfiTrade request? 7 days. Scar, it's 7 days. Is the profit to count as trading day based on one trade or series? Based on a trading day. The profit based on one trading day. Just like at Top Step or MyFundedFutures, the same. Up 500, let's go, man. Let's go. No problem, Scar. Wait after election to trade. Yeah, maybe. I think you might be doing the right thing there. Very good job, Venom, by the way. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Election day can be a little tricky. I agree. This one can be a little bit tricky. I'm trying to watch for the mini here and the micro, what is happening exactly. Is this try to go back up there or maybe revisit the 15-minute CB? Or sorry, busy. Oh yeah, I heard about that, Venom. Awesome job there. Awesome job. Let me check something real quick. Is this? It could be. Yeah, I think it wants to go down to that 15-minute CB again. Just a second. Election day is tomorrow. Yeah. I'm on my phone now, so I'm not sure how much of this I will. Can you explain how you use BC and CB during market hours? Well, D44, it's basically the most simple way to explain the BC and the CB is, I mean, I'm looking at them as a possible support and resistance. So D44, I'm looking it as a possible support and resistance. Now I know many other traders don't agree with this, especially the ones who are trading ICT. But, you know, for example, if we have a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, let me go to the 15-minute chart. Now we have a 15-minute BC here from Sunday 9 p.m. Sorry, yeah, 9:15. And there's a gap here. Now, obviously, we can see how price got rejected from the mid-level of this area. So, in my opinion, this could be a possible support, and that's it. So, if price goes back down to the BC, I would be looking in this case some kind of a bounce in this area, maybe even a structure shift to confirm me that we can go for the Asia high. Basically, that's it. If I would see a possible bounce, then I would take the trade to the Asia highs, or vice versa. You know, if I would have seen a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, I would be looking for the opposite. And that's basically it. So nothing complicated, really. That's all. Fresh Delgado, hey there. Good to see you back. What's the word? Well, nothing special. Slowly grinding down here to that 15-minute buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. I'm going to be watching for some kind of a reaction. It can also just trade through it. And, you know, if we go through, we might take out the 183 and go back down to the new week opening gap. Anything can happen. We still have Asia lows as well. So no entry for now. No entry that I liked here. There was no displacement. I mean, we had some structure shift here, but you know, I feel like we're visiting the 15-minute BC again. Let's go, Venom. New accounts on ProfiTrade, you can request even if you, yes, you can. If you have the minimum trading days, then you can. And obviously you need to have some profit on your account. So that's why I said, like if you're sitting in like $1,500 in profit, then you can request $1,000 within your threshold. But if you're started out with an Echo account, then on your funded account, I mean, yeah, obviously on your funded account, you're going to have a 50% profit split within your safety threshold. Okay, so if you request $1,000, you're only going to get $500, and your balance is going to go down to like $500. So that's why the boost account lets you to withdraw 90% profit split within your threshold before reaching the threshold. Quite interesting, right? You still have to meet with the minimum trading days and the consistency rule, okay? And the flipping rule as well. So flipping rule, consistency, and minimum trading days still apply. But for example, if someone is struggling a little bit and, you know, time is passing and someone really wants to get some money out from the account, you have the possibility to withdraw from your safety threshold even before reaching it. Szép, vettél parfümöt, szupi. Persze. Tamás said he just bought some very nice perfume. Awesome. Cologne, or what's it called? Cologne, perfume, cologne. So quickly reference all these rules and changes. I'm telling you, Robert, it's impossible. I try to do that, by the way. I still have a website. I'm not gonna tell you the domain name. I bought a website, a domain. I still have it. It's active right now, but it's unfinished. I try to put on the basic rules of some of these prop firms that I trade with, and it's just hard to keep up with because every month rules are changing. But yeah. All the accounts stay the same. If you already have a funded account, old rules are going. A szülinapom az jövő májusban, úgyhogy. Yeah, it's a job in itself to keep up with the rules. So. Ne előlegezzél semmit. Yeah. So yeah. Well, I think I want to disconnect this one. I have some evaluation accounts I bought over the weekend from Apex. I might want to flip them. I mean, not to flip them, but YOLO them. But I know that's not a good idea in London right now. Interesting how price didn't go up there, and we're just slowly grinding down. Nothing is basically happening. Oh, Astupi. I open a 50K and you profit. I don't know if I heard about them, but okay. Okay. Tamás clearly wants to give me a nice cologne. Thank you. You can wait until next year. Okay, so nothing is happening. It's clearly just a slow grind here. Okay. Nem fogok. All right. Yeah, honestly, at this point, so they promised the 2nd of November and 1st of November, and guess what? A few people got payouts, a few. But anyway, they told me the paid by date email is gonna be their word, is gonna be their truth, you know, because that's solid as rock, you know. I got the paid by date email for the 2nd of November, and guess what? Nothing on my Rise account. So So I at this point I told you guys we were waiting until the first week of November. At this point I'm completely letting go FTT. Obviously I don't know what the hell they're doing, but it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate that this is happening. I hope that they will recover. Obviously I hope that they will pay out everybody, but all right, 15-minute BC revisited. I wonder if now we're gonna have a reaction on this level. I'm waiting for a payout since September, Red. I'm waiting for a payout since 6 or 7 weeks now. So I'm not holding my breath for that. Már kérelmeztem újra. Már mindent kérelmeztem újra. Tamás is saying I have to request it again. I got the paid by date email from them. It's approved. It got automatically approved. So I requested it in September. I requested it again in the first days of October. It got approved. So anyway, it says approved and active on the website. So that's it. Well, I don't know, but mine didn't arrive. Good morning, Dominic. I was in a trade London before NFP, and let me tell you, 4 hours with no movement. Whoa! Oh yeah, I imagine. I imagine with no movement. Yeah. Good morning, Karsten. Have a great week, you too, as well. Wish you the best for the week and for the whole year. Look at that. We're still going lower. Now we have a sell side. I don't have an entry, by the way. Nothing here. Now we have a minor sell side at 183. Is this going to go all the way down? The bullish order block starts at 96. I have a feeling that this one wants to go to 96. How about that? I think it might want to go. Yeah, look at that. Just like that, 96. Okay. Quite a reaction. Now the next target would be 183. Interesting how the Asia high did not get taken out. What levels do we have? We have another fair value gap on the 15-minute down here. Let me get these off from here. I was just this was my trade at the Sunday Open off stream. This was my trade. It was quite good, back to the opening gap, but now I don't know. It's just going down. I'm not chasing it, that's for sure. No chasing, no bueno. Yeah, Red. I gave up on FTT. I let go that money, so I just let it go. It doesn't exist anymore. So it's just numbers on a screen on their dashboard. So I think they're toast. it was an SMT with ES. Oh yeah, I'm also checking ES. Yes. Oh yeah. There's one more level, the 5764. I will be watching if price would turn around at this level or at this area. Good morning, best DJ in town. I have my first account with MyFundedFutures and I'm starting to love them more. Yeah, MyFundedFutures is definitely, I mean, I have nothing bad nothing bad to say about them. They're just, you know what they say, they keep delivering. And just like Top Step, I would put MyFundedFutures at the top right now in this situation. Apex is also good. Bulenox is also good. I'm not saying like those are not good. I'm just saying that MyFundedFutures is very, very much solid. Grateful 96. Sorry, I wasn't reading that. All right. Dun, 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 dun. I requested $4,000 from Apex, by the way. It's still pending. So the Bears lost 29-9 against the Cardinals. I wish I would know what you're talking about, Gabriel, but I'm not into that kind of sports. They're going down to 84, it seems like it. It wants to take that out. What's the level there? 84. That would be a very nice level at 83. Asia lows 118. Yeah, we have a 18. I have a 121 level, but it's technically almost the same. So it's pending, Bonbon, but I requested $4,000 here. Here it is. These accounts previously has been blown, but on the 1st of November I requested $4,000 and it's still pending. So but we'll see, you know, still pending. I mean, these accounts are already blown, unfortunately. I tried to save them. As you see, I tried this one for 22 days. Anyway, but $8,000 out from Apex. First ever payout was in August, September, 2 payouts, October, and now these 2 payouts. Szerintem nem éri meg. Túl kicsi a drawdownod. Az árérték arányban meg a drawdownba túl kicsi. Matematikailag. Tamás is asking if the 300k is worth it with Apex. I don't think it is, because the ratios are not that good. The amount of profit you have to make and the drawdown that you've been led to trade with is, you know, not the best ratio. Zoltan, hey, good morning. When we want to backtest that low, yeah, could be. And it could be a bear trap. Yeah. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful here. This one could easily be a bear trap, especially if it makes a structure shift. Then we can definitely go higher, all the way to basically the Asia highs, which are relative equal highs. Very juicy level. I'm just trying to figure out if this one wants to take the 183.75 on the micro, you know, to sweep that swing low, which is actually, is that from, yeah, it's a Sunday low technically. Not sure. Trader Monk, good morning, Yoraget. We have to also be nice for bears. Yeah, and give them a little something. Yeah, they need to get something. They need to get something. They have to be fed with something. Well, if the bears are still in control, then they have to push it lower than 184. That's it. But if the bears are losing it, then we should be seeing a structure shift right here. Has quietly grinded up all night long. I haven't even checked on it. Oh yeah, look at that. Crude oil is going up. I think it wants to take out the 71 level now. Yeah, nice. Good to see these levels. Interesting. I have no entry here. I would like to go long on a structure shift, but other than that, so far nothing. The thing I'm looking here, if we look to the left on the 5-minute, is this area. Is this gonna get taken out or not? Is that level gonna get taken out, or price gonna do a shift, or just reprice that 210, 215 area before going down? That's a possibility as well. Gold has to do some retests. Yeah, I guess. I mean, I wasn't really checking, but yeah, look at gold. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. The number was very low. I mean, I was even saying like, what is this? Is this really, is this not a mistake? The NFP number was very low. I mean, it was low number. It was an absolutely low number. The difference was huge. Five-minute Ursa is buried and touching Terrarium. Oh. Whatever that means, Gabriel. I no, I'm just joking. I haven't even got RSI here or 200 EMA, but what I do have is the VWAP for you guys down there. We have a VWAP. Very close. The XY is going to follow. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, is this gonna go and take out that level, or what's it gonna be? I'm just curious. Ba-da-ba-ba. Wait until revision after the election. Oh, by the way, yeah, someone told me, like, not now, but last year, I know a guy who's very good in economics, and he said, and he's trading by only fundamentals, with very small positions, because he's a swing trader. And he told me that you have to keep looking for the revised numbers, not just the new numbers, but the revised numbers, because that's where the secret is when they finally revise it, and then you will see the bigger picture of what really happened last month. And I don't know, but he specifically told me that the revised numbers are very, very important. I don't even get it. Like, why does it always have to be that almost every month the previous month numbers are revised? Why can't they just give us an exact number? I mean, not exact. They do give us an exact number, but a precise number without having, man, I can't speak English this morning. Without the possibility that it could be revised. Anyway, I can't speak. Sorry, guys. Taken out 180. Yeah, in a split second. And back to the new week opening gap. They have two news events. Yeah, exactly, Kuko. Exactly at the same. Yeah. All right. Going back to the new week opening gap here. Interesting. So this level that we marked up here has been taken out. No idea where could we go from this point. We're definitely below the midnight open. I mean, not open, but the Eastern Standard Time midnight level. And at this point, it's... Let me switch to the 5-minute. It's really hard to tell. Election, I need to have nice numbers to show orders. Yeah. Took short in turn 3p and let's go, Holy Grail. Come on. Congrats. Congratulations. That's the way to do it. Oh, apparently I made a huge mistake with my ProfiTrade update. I have to delete that video and make a new one. All right, let me get this video down. What a mistake on my end. All right. Yes. I just received an email from the CEO of ProfiTrade because they saw my video. And I just deleted that video from the new rule about the new rules. So just to clear this out. Whoa, thank you, the Cranky Boomac. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you. Reach out, thank you, fantastic content. You've been creating. Your last video was no exception. Your clear explanation, okay. However, I noticed a small error in the video, which might have been caused by our wording in the theme within. This might inadvertently impact how viewers perceive our account options. So this email came just now from the CEO of ProfiTrade Funding. Traders need to reach, so to clarify, both Echo and Boost accounts allow withdrawals inside the safety threshold, but there's an important condition. Traders need to reach this threshold before making a withdrawal. If the safety threshold hasn't been reached, no withdrawal can be made. So that's my mistake. So I deleted my video. I apologize to everybody. I misunderstood that new rule. Once the safety threshold is met, the differences in profit are applied. So 50% on Eco and 90% on Boost accounts. So while traders can indeed withdraw funds within the safety threshold, they must first meet this threshold amount. So you have to reach the $2,600 on a 50K account. I apologize for this. It was my mistake. I deleted the video. I'm gonna make a new video about it. Anyway, the flipping rule is still valid as I explained it, so I'm gonna redo the video. Anyway, it is what it is. I mean, I was reading the rules, and I misunderstood it. I thought that that's the good thing, you know. Anyway. Akram, hey, I just received your email. Akram is saying that he has won a giveaway with Phidias, but he cannot trade that prop firm from his country. So it's called Phidias prop firm. I don't know them. I mean, I heard about them. And Akram is saying to me that he would like to give his code for the free account for a giveaway. Is that what I understand? Only 3 accounts for direct funded, yes. Banduga, Moses, thank you for the subscription. Welcome. So when you make 2,600, how much can be withdrawn? Now I just don't want to say more stupid stuff. If you make 2,600, you should be able to withdraw your safety threshold all the way down to $500. So you should be able to request $2,000, but with the Echo account, you might only get 50% of the safety threshold. And with the Boost account, you're gonna get 90% of that threshold. So correct me if I'm wrong, but maybe I'm gonna ask this one more time from the CEOs. So that means if you make $2,600 on the Boost account, you can withdraw how much you can withdraw? You can withdraw $2,000. I think there's 500. It's gonna lock in at 50,100 plus 500, something like that. Anyway, if you withdraw $2,000, then you're gonna be getting $1,800 with the Boost account, right? Okay, Akram. So existing accounts should be going by the old rules, I think, because they said it specifically that if you already have an existing account, then you can still withdraw under the old rules, which were there was no 90% split or anything, which is like you're gonna get 100%, and you can withdraw all your safety threshold down to 500. So the same way, basically, we're just talking about the 10%, 90/10% profit split. 2,500, I guess. I gotta go into their chat. Oh, it's great. So Akram just sent me the code. I'm sure it's okay. How to do this? If you guys want to get Akram's code for Phidias prop firm, then we are happy to do. I'm happy to do the giveaway. It's a 10K account, right? It's a 10K account, so we can do that. Actually, that is 2,500, I think. Yeah. Not a 10K. The code Akram offering is for a competition called 10K drawdown, which Phidias you can see. Oh, I see. Direct funded account as reward. Oh, I see. It's a challenge where you can get up to 10K live account. Nice, and more challenges. I don't know what to do. What to do now? That's a I mean, not a funded that's a challenge account, right? No. Competition account. So basically it's a competition account. Okay. Yeah. That's Phidias prop firm. Phidias prop firm. I think this is it. It's a futures prop firm account. Yeah. So basically with this code you can get a competition account. So you have to apply for a competition, and if you win, if I understand, you can get a funded account. Something like that. Yeah. I'm gonna look into the details of this and 10K live accounts. So I'm gonna read the details. Anyway, if you guys want the code to be given away in this stream, we can do that. We can do that, and the winner, I'm gonna email the code to the winner by the courtesy of Akram, and we can do it. We can do it fast and easy. if you guys wanted to. Okay, okay. So if you guys want this code for Phidias, I can do a very quick giveaway, and the winner is gonna get the code in email, and you can activate it. It's from Akram. Thank you so much for offering this to the community. If you guys want it, we can do it right now. No problem. So it's a competition account. PDS, okay. 10K competition account. Okay. Let's make it in New York. If Akram agreed, you will be more informed about it. Yeah, I mean, if you guys want it, we can do it right now, but I have no idea what is this account at Phidias. But if you just want to go for the code and try it out, I don't mind. It's absolutely up to you. Akram emailed me the code. Very nice of him. Very generous offering. It's a competition account, so it's not technically a challenge account, if I understand, or evaluation. But if you win, you can get a live account. Phidias is real. Nice. Let's go. Anyway, it's let's do it. All right. Let's do it, right? I'm gonna settings. Okay. Okay, anyway, we're gonna do it very quick. We have London open, by the way, so let's start the giveaway. Exclamation mark code. Exclamation mark code, and I'm gonna email the code to the winner at Phidias prop firm. It's not cash right now, it's exclamation mark code. It should be working. All right, we're gonna do it quick and easy. We're gonna pick the winner in a few minutes. All right, we're gonna pick the winner in about like 8 or 10 minutes or something. Akram, thank you so much for the offer. The winner is going to get the code. I never traded with Phidias before, but thank you. Thank you for the generous offer. If the code is not working, then I mean, then you can ask Akram. I'm not sure how. I don't even have a registration with Phidias, so I'm not really sure. But I guess he will help you out. Well, Fresh Delgado, I was watching how price actually is getting down into this 20,184, and right now all I'm watching is hey WJSHAN Shan. I'm gonna call you Shan. Thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. And yeah. How can you give away accounts? It's well, we don't have a backend code for that or anything like that. Top step only, yeah, rob the ghost. Yeah, you can also try to mail them, or we can do the cash giveaway. But I would say that if you guys want to give away accounts, I can help you doing that as a middleman, but not through the super chat. It's a lot of commission. 30% goes to YouTube. All I can help is that we have a donation link for PayPal, and if you want to put it to PayPal, then I can forward it to the winner, and that's it. Or you can directly do that as a cash giveaway. We just pick the winner, and I'm gonna forward you the winner's email, and you can also send the payout for the cash payout. That's one thing we can do. Earlier, I mean, months ago, we did MyFundedFutures giveaway, and MyFundedFutures were actually activating the account from the back end. But that required a MyFundedFutures registration, which is free. So anyway, hey, Trace by Slage, welcome. Or just send you by PayPal, yeah, exactly. The thing is that that YouTube takes a lot of commission with the super chat, so that's why we have the PayPal link too, because that's basically much more cheaper. No, PayPal only takes $1 or something. Anyway, we're waiting, and we're gonna pick the winner shortly. And while we're waiting, whoa! The General Life, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much. All right, we're not gonna wait for too long. Let's see, how are we doing right now? 34 participants in the giveaway. 35 actually. So we're gonna pick the winner as soon as possible. Now we do have a I don't know what's up with this. We do have a fair value gap here, and the possible structure shift. Look at that. It actually poked into this area. I tried to enter a position here at MyFundedFutures and it's just not doing the thing. I might have to check on the website. This is 32. Yeah, it's going higher for sure. Okay. So is this going to continue? All right. I had to flat it out on the volumetrica platform. Okay. Sorry if I... Yeah, very nice reaction. Very nice reaction from the new week opening gap here. Anyway, let's pick the winner until we're waiting. This one can still go higher, I think. I would say so. But let's pick the winner. 41 people registered, and let's close down the entries right now. Okay. So, SB Sol. Okay. Enter again, SB Sol. Enter the code again. Let's see. You should be getting it. Everybody gets one ticket, by the way. You might have it already. I don't see your name. I don't see your name. Where is... Oh, you have a ticket already. Okay, then. Close the entries. And let's start to do this. The winner of the 10K competition account code at Fidias. Special gift from Akram here. Thank you so much. Is gonna be no other than the one and only. Pick the winner. What? Seven money bag, yo, come on, man. Join. I reopened it. Exclamation mark code. So intense. All right, do you guys have it now? Let me check it. All right, you guys have the ticket. All right. Empowerment TV. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Everyone gets one ticket. So Moodmoon has it. Empowerment TV. You should be having a code already. Yeah, you have your code. All right. Scar 8 there. All right. Closing the entry. And that's it. So the winner of this is going to be no other than the one and the only Special gift, by the way, from Akram here. So let's pick the winner. 3, 2, 1, and the winner is going to be Oti. Congratulations for the code. Congratulations, man. Congrats. I haven't been traded with Phidias ever before, so let us know how it goes. And let me just type in my email. If you send me an email, I'm gladly forwarding this code to you. That's all I know. Here's my email. There you go. Congrats. Gratulálok. All right. This has been a gift from Akram, so thank you again. Yeah, me neither. I mean, I just heard the name, but I don't know anything about them. Oh, it's at Phidias. That's all I know. It's a competition account. I mean, it's not a you can actually use it to enter the competition. That's all I know. SK, sorry if hey there. Welcome. All is well. Good to have you here. What's happening? Dun, dun, dun. You're buying for a scalp? All right, let's go. I think so far the VWAP was holding price. And I don't know. We still have that BC up there. We had so far a bearish reaction, but price is still holding. But we have relative equal highs at Asia highs, so we can also just go higher from here, you know. VWAP, yeah, we have the VWAP. Yeah, the VWAP was holding it too. The VWAP was holding it as well. Dun, 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 dun. The 5-minute looks a little bit strange. Feels like it might want to continue down. You know, all the way down, maybe to the mid level of this gap, which should be somewhere. Oh, it's not going to be 100% accurate, but it should be somewhere there at 155-ish area. Yeah, I think it's going. Oh, hey there, Pandora. Have you got a payout from? Not yet. Getting closer, but not yet. Not yet. But we know more and more people who already have payouts. So, unfortunately, I still need to grind on that. All right. Sent out the code to Oti. Discount with ProfiTrade. Right now they have an 80% discount, which is still good. 80% discount. But the price is different on the Echo and the Boost accounts. The direct account has I think it's 50% right now. So 300. The cheapest direct to funded account is 300, and anyway, that's the 50K. I mean, let me check it. Let me check it just a second. Should be having it here. So if you go with the Echo account, then you can start with $197 on a 25K account, or $389 on a 50K account that is direct funded. So right now it's 50% off. The Boost account is a bit more expensive, which means if you want to request from the safety threshold, it's going to cost you more, $584 on the 50K instant funded and $296 on the 25K. But with this one, you can request 90% profit split from the safety threshold. That's the change. I'm going to have to do a new video about this because I received an email from the CEO that I was incorrect on my previous video about them. So I have to redo the video. Yeah. Yeah, right now we're in a very interesting area here. If this one wants to bounce, I think it can, but very interesting area, that's for sure. So CEO just walked to your doorstep and you haven't got that one right. Yeah, yeah, something like that. I received a, but it was a very friendly email from the CEO that they saw my video and I was incorrect with the safety threshold. And I deleted that video, so I'm gonna have to redo that. So obviously I made a mistake by explaining that you don't have to reach the safe. I thought, because that's how I understood it on their Telegram chat and their rules on the website, so it was my fault, that you can withdraw even before reaching the safety threshold. But obviously it's not true. You have to reach the safety threshold. There's no way around it. So it's my mistake. It's my mistake, so I'm gonna redo that video. They made the rule change, I guess, against flippers and to smooth out the numbers. So you can still request the safety threshold just like before, but you have to choose. If you want to request 90% of the safety threshold, you have to choose the boost account, not the echo. The echo account, you can only request 50% of the safety threshold. That's it. That's the price difference. I mean, obviously boost accounts are a little bit more expensive, but anyway. But it's okay. Have to reconnect here. No trade. No trade. Guys, I really wanted to go with the trade here. I just have nothing that I like. I was sold on the idea that we could be going higher, and now we have so many levels here. I just have to delete these lines because these are broken already. This is the mid level of the new week opening gap. We have the VWAP. We're still going lower. We have Asia low down at 121, and so far it seems like we're just going lower. Dominic sent me the idea. Let's check it. Oh yeah, if that was from last week. All right, going for the new week opening gap low, maybe after this. I still have nothing here to go for. Asia low would be the next target, I guess, down at 21. Yeah, you were right. But I had no entry. I had no entry for Asia low. But so far, it seems like it wants to go. Still not confirmed. I mean, no retracement, nothing. Asian Open comes first. Where was it? Hold on. It was yeah, it was basically somewhere here at 8. That was like 8 p.m. or something. Easy 1-4. Let's go, man. 1.4. That's a good risk to reward. Or 142. 142, that's even better. You know. 42R. Those trades are happening every day. Don't you know traders are the most hard-headed people? He knows it. He knows it. Well, so far, it's still holding. We're inside of this new week opening gap for now. Yes. Yes, took yes, didn't take the lows. I mean, depends on what do we call lows here. I would say ES is far from taking the lows. ES still needs to go at least down to 52. So, yeah. Target on the Thursday low and short close and long to New York time. Yeah, it could be 15 minutes for the short. Let's go. Let's go, man. Would be interesting to see if it really takes out the Asia low now, or if it turns around, maybe, you know, creating a bear trap or whatever. But on the bigger time frame, it does look like there is some pretty good targets below the 20s. Nice, very good trades there. Congratulations. Nice trades. You guys caught it right at the top. Well, almost at the top, but beautiful entry. Beautiful entry and nice reaction on the BC there. Yeah, it looks like it might go lower. Nice, 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 nice. Let's go. Nice. A lot of liquidity at the 250s. Yeah. I mean, relative equal highs, so this one can just bounce any moment and could go. But nice reaction on the BC here. And so far, I have nothing. So I'm just waiting. I was waiting technically all the way in this session. If it really wants to take that Asia low or not. Technical waiting, yeah. Yeah. All right, just a second. I have to check out something and I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I had a visitor. I had to go out and check it. Anyway, what is going on here? What is happening? Is this going back into the VWAP or what? So far it seems like it, right? Traps. Could be. Well, if this was a trap, then it should continue higher. Let's go. Let's go, guys. I was wondering if for example, like price was down here. 10. No. I actually missed this trade. I should have entered, but I didn't. There was a nice entry here. Oh man, I feel a FOMO now. 1 to 2 risk to reward, beautiful. 1 to 2, look at that. Should have entered. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. But I wasn't here. Oh, that's sad. I just feel FOMO right now by not entering this. Oh, very nice. Beautiful trade there. That's how you do it, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Congrats on the trades. Beautiful. Congratulations, Paul and Venom. Let's go. Discord is I haven't received the earlier message if you sent me anything, but now I have this one, and it's a nice setup there. I like it. I like it. I do like it. Bit of a slow morning. I mean, we only had this. I mean, not slow. I take it back, but we are going to have the equities open hopefully soon, and let's see how it goes. Perfect scalping opportunities, yeah. Let's go. Congrats. Congrats, guys. You guys killing it. I like that. You're the big deal, man. You're making 100K in one trade. Nobody can deny that. You're the guy who made 100K on one trade. And anyway, you guys are all awesome. That was a beautiful trade that you showed there. Beautiful. Yeah, he was holding it with 15 minis. 15 minis. Yeah. 15 minis. But small risk, true. Two tick stop loss. I could never do that. Two tick stop loss. That is like basically almost impossible, man. That's so tight. But, you know, that's crazy. All right, so this one was a clean 1 to 2 risk to reward. One or two in 100 trades are indeed possible. Yeah. I don't want to browse it right now because I'm too much focusing on the chart, but I know it's somewhere there. But yeah, I'm gonna make. But oh, yeah, you just sent me nice trades there. Is this the recent one? I think it is, right? Oh, you guys are long now, right? At break even. Beautiful. Beautiful. On Friday. It's Friday's trade. Is this... Oh, this is Friday's trade, right? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, beautiful. Nice trade there. 20K. That's how you do it, man. Oh, man. Entry, everything is perfect. Perfect. Thursday, okay then. Yeah, beautiful, man. I see that. Beautiful trade. Do. Dun. Is this going higher? I think it will, but I mean we're hovering in between these levels. Take out the 118 level before. Could be. I mean, the Asia low is clearly very close. Let me look at the 5-minute. We have a fair value gap that has been technically reclaimed, and we have a nice rejection from the 5 minutes. It's a beautiful reaction, to be honest. Could also go lower, you know. To try to take the lows down at all the way down below the 20s maybe. You know, if you look at it, if I zoom this one out, we have this 5-minute CB. And it made a structure shift as well. So it could be a continuation lower. I'm not sure, of course, but it does look promising. And we still have time from the kill zone. So from that area all the way down to Asia low, it could be a possibility, I guess. It was a very nice reaction. So this was a beautiful reaction, but so far let's see if price wants to go back up there. The next level would be up at 182. So I took a short, by the way, on MyFundedFutures evaluation account, which is, I don't even know where it is. This is the one. My entry is way off, but the risk to reward is still good. Yeah. Could have had a better entry, but it doesn't change the fact on my target. Which is Asia low. Actually, I'm targeting 21. I'm going to target 22 just to make sure. That's it. I didn't steal that. This was my entry. This is actually fits with my criteria. We had the reaction. We have the displacement, structure shift. It's not a high probability setup, but if the drawn liquidity is down there, then you know it can still go. The best entry would have been somewhere right here. You know, with a 1 to 2 risk to reward going down there, but it's gonna take me out, I guess. I have to look for. Okay, I have a better entry. I took it on an apex evaluation too. All right, I took it on apex too. So for example, here is it. Where is it? This is the one. So the same trade. Now this is a much better entry on Apex. This is a much better one. I did not copy trade, but I did like the entry level. There. We have a small volume imbalance as well. Not significant, but I do like it. The risk to reward is good. So this is a much better entry than the one on MyFundedFutures. I was late on that particular entry, but it's still good. This here is okay. I'm okay with this. Yeah. Because it has to keep few PD arrays for the future. That's true. It could be true. Well, so far it's having a hard time to go lower. Oh no, it's gonna go to the stop loss. 70. Yeah, 70.50 on one account, and this one has it. The MyFundedFutures is at 71. Not a good one. Not a good reaction that I was hoping for. The setup was clean, so I do like that, but this reaction right now is it's not something I look forward to. I'm liquidity, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if it breaks above, and especially if it closes above my stop, then the whole direction could change for the rest of the session, or even all the way up until the New York session. I like the 141 level on this one for TP, although for Asia low, well, it could be a slow grind if it goes down. If it goes down. Obviously, I mean, I like this one so far. The way it dropped. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, if we break the 150, that's actually very true. If we break the 150 once more, then we should be heading lower. But so far, we're just stalling here. Uh-oh. It's having a hard time. It does definitely have a hard time. But, you know, still, in my terms, this short, especially this one that I took with Apex, I would say this is an A+ setup for me. Reaction on the fair value gap, beautiful displacement. I think I can say, even if it takes me out, that this here is something I like. This is an A+ setup. Obviously, not all of the A+ setups are winners, but it's one of those that I really, really like. I'm gonna record a video after this session about ProfiTrade, again, to correct my mistake about the rules. Oh, look at that. What a dirty move. Luring everybody in here below the 50s and now squeezing up there. What a dirty move. Look at this. Do we have some news, by the way? Nothing. Nothing so far. Yeah. A quick change in direction. Unfortunately, it looks like that it's going to be a market structure shift. Yeah. So it is what it is. It was looking good until it did not. Oh, what a shame. What a shame. Hmm. You know, we can even see some sideways action from here on out. But overall, I would say we have a good chance that, if not now, but maybe later, the Asia low should be taken. Salty, hey there. I'll be bailing and just scratching the trade. Yeah, this is my main attempt here. This was my main attempt using this entry. So the only thing is that on the MyFundedFutures evaluation, my entry is way worse. But this Apex account is a little bit better, but this is just a little bit crazy here. Daniel, good morning. Martin, good to see you. I'm sorry, I was just writing here. Oh man, this is a slow grind. Actually, what I'm gonna do with my MyFundedFutures account, I'm gonna put a partial profit to 41.50. $41.50. 70.50. Okay, and the final TP, maybe I'm gonna put it to 22. 22 is fine. 70.50. Okay. Okay, now it's good. At least I have some partials in the game now. Hey Daniel, thank you. You like the cat? Well, she's a nice one. I shown her like in a few months ago, like it was in May. I think it was in May, or yeah, sometime in May or June, when she was only a small kitten. I showed her on the stream, but obviously, I took her to my mother-in-law's. Well, she's not my mother-in-law yet, but to the mother of my girlfriend. She likes cats, and their cat unfortunately passed away early this year, and they wanted a new cat, and now they have this new cat. Yeah, I don't like the fact as well that we're just sitting here. Such a slow morning. Such a slow morning. Yeah, these are tough levels. Yeah, we're right in the middle of the new week opening gap. Tough level. It's actually a coin flip. Dude, could have made this. By the way, if I would have gone Well, entry was at 62. My entry is way off. Yeah, that's why. If I would have entered around the 60, let's see, somewhere around 59 or 60. Oh man. Isham, hey there. 5 minute looks good. Yeah, I'm watching the 5 minute here to the left, and I do like the 5 minute. It actually looks very good. We have a small volume imbalance down at 41. I also like that fact as well, down there where the TP is. So I'm actually okay with this, but you know, Let's go. Maybe, I don't know. I do like that we do have a small volume imbalance, as I said. I'm just confused. I'd like to see some profit taking there and maybe a continuation lower. The same trade I entered on MyFundedFutures, but a much worse entry. Look at that. It technically went down and didn't take it out. Okay. So this one is good, but the MyFundedFutures account, I took partials on this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I took partials on this account. Anyway. Hey, Xane. I trade micro Nasdaq basically NQ. I already took profits on the other account, but this one has a much lower entry than the previous one had. So, what's up, Bini player? Yeah, this was the one I let's just say I'm not saying I was waiting for, but I missed this trade. So there was a nice, beautiful entry here to go back to that CB, the 5-minute CB. But let me delete this. It doesn't matter. But we had a beautiful reaction on the 1 minute. Look at how beautiful it got rejected here with the displacement, with the fair value gap. And this was basically the entry criteria, on that fair value gap. Small volume imbalance down there. It was enough for TP, and we still have Asia low to go lower. Anyway, got any expectation? I don't know. I really have no idea how the election is going to. I think, the markets are going to behave a little bit. I mean, mostly unpredictable. I mean, maybe it's going to be a little bit harder to reach price action, but the market also showed us many times before that, FOMC, NFP, and all those political stuff as well that were happening in the past years doesn't really show like too much big influence. I mean, obviously they did, but not for intraday trading. But I'm still fighting for the payout because I'm building up the accounts rules. But I'm hoping this week I can submit my withdrawal. $12, maybe going to previous session. Yeah, it could be. What's up, Larry? Maybe. Let me check the trade again. I'm still sitting in this, but I took partials, so I'm not worried. What's my bias for today? Well, my bias is technically changing every single day, every session. Every single session. So I know ICT is saying, and many smart money traders are saying, that you must have a bias for the day. I think the bias is changing throughout the day. For now, I'm bearish. I think it should be taking out the Asia low. If it takes out the Asia low, I don't know what's going to be after that. But if this one would shift structure, then I would be aiming for back to the midnight area, or at least back to the 200s. So I don't really have a bias for the whole day. But yeah. My Apex payouts are still pending. Yeah, requested that 4,000 I was mentioning to you. I was a little bit nervous, yeah, but I mean, but the support confirmed, by the way, for you guys who are trading with Apex, support confirmed that withdrawal process is still by the old rules. So your thoughts on the reverse button on prop firms? I would not use it. The reverse button on the trading platform is for you to lose your money faster. I'm sorry to say that, but I think the reverse button is there for you to lose money. I think it's not a good idea to have that reverse button there. I did that not recently, but the reverse button is not a good thing to have. Better not to push it. Okay, so this trade is going to the dumpster, I think, but I'm just gonna let it ride to the stop loss. Amen, Daniel. All right, guys. Thank you. I think I'm gonna call it here. I made a good trade on the previous account. This one I took partial, so I'm not going to lose, that's for sure. Worst case scenario, this account is gonna end up break even. The other account I made a good profit, so I'm all right with this. The session was a little bit crazy. I know some of you guys got this drop beautifully. Congratulations for those of you who did. And all I can say is I'll be back for the New York session. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe and like the stream. And if you would like to support, please use my codes and links. And again, thank you. And God bless you all. See you in the New York session. Hope you guys can make it back. See you later. Cheers, everybody.